Did you know that 99% of global internet travels under the ocean?
A mystery far greater than outer space is hidden in the depths of our oceans. These hair-thin glass fibers are protected by layers of heavy-duty armor.
Thousands of miles of these cables are laid by massive, high-tech ships.
Deep-sea robots navigate mountains and canyons to carve a safe path. This invisible web is the very foundation of our modern digital civilization. But in this dark abyss, danger is always lurking around the corner.
A single ship's anchor or a hammerhead shark's bite can disconnect an entire nation. Today, we reveal the secrets of the massive underwater internet empire.
Inside these fiber optic cables, data travels literally at the speed of light. A strand thinner than a human hair can carry data for millions of people. Terabytes of information cross from one continent to another in every second. To survive extreme conditions, these cables are engineered to be incredibly strong. Multiple layers of armor allow them to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep. Months of mapping the sea floor are required before a single cable is laid. These ships can carry thousands of miles of cable in one single trip. An ocean plow buries the cables safely into the seabed to avoid damage.
Once installed, these cables are designed to serve us for over 25 years.
Continuous monitoring is vital to prevent any sudden global communication blackout.
Every 50 miles, a device called a repeater boosts the weakening light signal. The global network is a complex grid, ensuring data always finds a path.
These cables eventually emerge at landing stations, connecting to the local grid.
Landing stations are highly secure facilities that act as gateways to the web.
From the ocean floor to the server room, the journey is nearly instantaneous. Natural disasters like underwater earthquakes are the biggest threat to this network.
Heat and shifting tectonic plates can snap even the strongest armored cables.
When a cable breaks, specialized repair ships are dispatched immediately.
Finding a broken cable in the vast, dark ocean is like finding a needle in a haystack. Engineers use massive grappling hooks to pull the broken ends to the surface. Repairing the glass fibers requires surgical precision in a controlled environment. Splicing ensures the light can flow again without any loss of data.
The repaired joint is sealed in a box stronger than the original cable.
Once tested, the cable is lowered back to its home on the seafloor.
While repairs happen, your data is automatically rerouted through other paths.
Sharks are strangely attracted to the electromagnetic fields of the cables.
Human activity, like illegal fishing, causes the majority of cable damages.
In shallow waters, Divers manually inspect cables for signs of wear and tear.
These cables endure the most hostile environments on Earth to keep us connected.
The scale of this engineering feat is truly mind-blowing. Trillions of dollars in global trades happen through these cables every single day. Your emails and messages cross oceans in less than a blink of an eye.
Our unified approach is clearly working across all regions.
I agree, the synergy is remarkable.
This is fantastic news.
Streaming your favorite 4K movies relies on the massive bandwidth of these fibers. Fiber optics changed everything, replacing slow copper with the incredible speed of light.
The North Atlantic Corridor is one of the busiest data highways on the planet.
Even the most remote islands are now joining the global digital conversation. Technicians watch for signal drops to catch cable breaks before you even notice. Repeaters act as tiny power stations, keeping the light signal strong for thousands of miles. Landing stations are the secret fortresses where the ocean meets the land's network. Burying cables deep under the seabed is the best defense against heavy ship anchors.
Cables have much lower latency than satellites, making them superior for gaming and finance.
Modern life as we know it would literally stop if these cables failed.
This is a world of extreme precision, where even a speck of dust matters. One ship can carry enough cable to stretch across an entire continent.
Today, tech giants like Google and Meta are building their own private cable empires.
They are investing billions to ensure their services never face a connection bottleneck.
New hollow core fibers are being developed to push data speeds to the limit.
Melting ice is opening new, shorter paths for cables through the Arctic Circle.
In the future, these cables might power more than just the internet.
International laws protect these cables, making it a crime to damage them intentionally. We are currently moving toward petabit speeds, which was once thought impossible.
From simple telegraphs to 8K streaming, the journey has been incredible. Every component must be perfect to survive the harsh salt and pressure.
Maintain course 090. Steady as she goes.
Aye, Captain. Course 090.
Compared to the Earth's size, this network is like a delicate nervous system. New cables are bringing digital education and opportunities to the entire world.
Distance no longer matters in a world connected by light and glass.
There are rumors of specialized submarines designed to tap into these data lines.
Cybersecurity is the new frontier, protecting the data flowing beneath the waves.
Thousands of miles of dead cables still rest at the bottom of the sea.
Recycling these old cables is a difficult but growing industry today. The outer shell is built to last for decades against chemical erosion.
Storm surges at landing stations can be just as dangerous as deep-sea breaks.
A single microscopic crack can disrupt the entire signal over time.
Some cables are so vital that their failure would isolate entire countries. Artificial intelligence relies on these cables for massive global data processing. The next frontier is a quantum internet, built on these existing fiber paths.
The deep ocean's silence hides the constant noise of our digital world.
Asia is currently seeing the fastest expansion of new subsea cable projects.
Every single connection made is a bridge between two different cultures.
Modern cables are designed to be environmentally friendly to all marine life.
A successful repair means the entire world stays online and connected.
We live in a global village built on a strong foundation of glass. The future of human communication is written in pulses of laser light. The sea has always been for trade, but now it carries data. Global data demand doubles every 2 years, requiring even more cables. Cables are now being laid in some of the deepest trenches on Earth. Advanced drones now perform most of the dangerous underwater cable inspections.
Protecting this data from hackers is the top priority for tech giants.
Every morning, these stations handle petabytes of data for the world. Every morning, these stations handle petabytes of data for the world.
Coiling these cables takes weeks of careful work before the ship sails.
Individual cables can now carry more data than the entire existing web.
Science is constantly finding ways to make fibers thinner and much stronger.
Subsea cables are closing the digital divide between cities and remote areas.
Everything must be tested to perfection before it hits the ocean floor. Think of these cables as the digital heartbeat of our modern society. Even at the bottom of the world, these cables remain nearly indestructible.
The speed of this network is the closest thing to real magic.
In this industry, there is zero room for error or a single mistake.
We are moving toward a future where everyone is connected by light. Weather never stops the mission of keeping the global internet running. The shore end is the most reinforced part of the entire cable system.
These cables bring families together, no matter how far they are.
Knowledge is now accessible to everyone, thanks to this underwater network. We have woven a web of light around our entire blue planet.
We have come a long way since the first telegraph line was laid.
The future might even see data centers built directly on the seabed.
In the digital world, the concept of distance has completely disappeared. We are just beginning to explore the full potential of this technology.
Coiling these cables takes weeks of careful work before the ship sails.
Beneath this calm surface lies the most complex machine ever built.
Subsea cables are perhaps the greatest engineering marvel of our time.
Every swipe you make is powered by a journey across the ocean.
In a world that never sleeps, these cables never stop working. The underwater internet empire is the invisible force shaping our future.
Subscribe to GenSecret Factory to explore more secrets of our world.